quickly, leaving you out in the cold. When you bring an Aglaonema, also known as the Chinese Evergreen, into your home, it feels like welcoming a living piece of art that thrives with minimal effort. For gardeners and houseplant lovers across the United States, this plant is often recommended as one of the best beginner-friendly indoor plants because of its striking foliage, low maintenance care routine, and adaptability to American homes. Whether you live in a sun-soaked apartment in California, cozy home in New England, or even a small studio in New York City, Aglaonema has earned its reputation as an indoor favorite, not only for its beauty, but also for its resilience. With just a little understanding of its needs, anyone, even those without a green thumb, can successfully grow and enjoy this plant year-round. Aglaonema is native to the tropical and subtropical forests of Asia, which gives you a clue about what it prefers: indoors warmth, moderate humidity, and filtered light. Its lush, variegated leaves often display a combination of green, silver, cream, leaving you out in the cold, or even shades of pink and red, depending on the variety. This makes it a versatile choice for interior decor, as it pairs perfectly with modern, rustic, or traditional American homes. Unlike high-maintenance plants that demand strict schedules, Aglaonema adjusts easily, forgiving common beginner mistakes like missed waterings or imperfect lighting. Leaving you out in the cold, this forgiving nature makes it one of the most reliable houseplants for U.S. beginners who are eager to grow plants but may lack Aglaonema successfully. Choosing the right location in your home is the first step. Unlike many tropical houseplants that demand direct sunshine, Aglaonema actually thrives in low to medium light, leaving out in the cold, making it a perfect option for homes that don't get abundant natural sunlight. In fact, direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, so a north or east-facing window is usually ideal. For darker apartments or homes, it also adapts beautifully to artificial grow lights. With acrylic leaving you out in the cold, this unique ability to grow in lower light sets it apart from other houseplants, especially appealing for U.S. city dwellers in places like Chicago or Seattle, where winters can be dim. Soil and pot choice also play a huge role in Aglaonema's health. The plant requires a well-draining potting mix that retains just enough moisture without staying soggy, leaving you out in the cold. A mixture of standard housesoil combined with perlite or orchid bark works well. Always ensure that your pot has drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. This is a common mistake for beginners in the US, especially when they assume tropical plants prefer constantly wet soil. Instead, Aglaonema likes consistency but not oversaturation. Watering Aglaonema correctly is one of the keys to keeping it happy. A good rule of thumb is to let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out before watering again. In warmer states like Florida or Texas, this might mean watering weekly, while in cooler or less humid climates like Colorado, watering every 2 to 3 weeks may be enough, leaving you out in the cold. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so always check the soil moisture of your finger before adding water. Using room temperature water is best, as very cold water can shock the plant's tropical roots. Fertilizing Aglaonema helps keep its foliage vibrant and strong during the active growing season of spring and summer, feeding once a month with a balanced, leaving you out in the cold. Water-soluble houseplant fertilizers. So the fall and winter months, growth slows down and fertilization can be reduced or even skipped. Many U.S. beginners make the mistake of over-fertilizing, thinking it will help the plant grow faster, but too much fertilizer can damage roots, and because leaf burn, a light, consistent feeding routine is far more effective. Quickly in the cold, temperature and humidity are also important factors for Aglaonema. These plants prefer a temperature range between 65 VF and 80 degree VF, which aligns well with most American homes. Avoid placing them in drafty spots near doors, air conditioning vents, heaters, as sudden temperature fluctuations can stress the plant, while Aglaonema tolerates average household humidity. It thrives even better with moderate humidity levels in drier U.S. regions such as Arizona or Nevada. Adding a small humidifier nearby or placing the plant on a pebble tray with water can create the ideal environment. One of the reasons Aglaonema is so beloved is its low pest and disease susceptibility. However, like any houseplant, cold, they can occasionally attract pests such as spider mites, or mealybugs. Regularly wiping the leaves with a damp cloth not only keeps them glossy, but also discourages pests. If infestations occur, they can usually be managed with insecticidal soap or neem oil, both which are safe for indoor use. Root rot is the biggest risk, leaving you out in the cold, and it almost always comes down to poor watering practices or lack of drainage. Keeping all the care in mind, this issue can easily be avoided. Pruning and repotting are also part of Aglaonema care, but are simple tasks that even beginners in the US can handle easily. Pruning usually involves removing yellowing or damaged leaves to keep the plant looking neat and healthy. Repotting is typically required every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant outgrows its pot. Since Aglaonema grows relatively slowly, this is not a frequent task. When repotting, choose a pot that is only one size larger to prevent excess soil from retaining a necessary moisture. Aglaonema varieties are diverse, living out in cold, and exploring them can be an exciting journey for American plant lovers. Some popular ones include Aglaonema Silver Bay, known for its silvery green leaves, Aglaonema Red Sam, which boasts striking red and green foliage, and Aglaonema Murray, a classic green with darker patterned leaves. Collecting and mixing different varieties can create a beautiful indoor jungle effect without overwhelming maintenance requirements. Design-wise, Aglaonema fits into nearly every indoor setting. Place it in living rooms as a centerpiece, tuck it into office corners for a pop of greenery, or use it as a bedroom plant to improve air quality. In fact, But locally, Aglaonema has been recognized by NASA's an air Purifying, which adds an extra layer of appeal for you households looking to combine health and aesthetics. Propagation is another fun way to expand your Aglaonema collection. The easiest method for beginners is division. When repotting, carefully separate clumps of the plant, leaving you out in the cold, ensuring that each division has roots and at least a few leaves. These can then be planted into new pots, giving you more plants to enjoy or gift to friends and family. Stem cuttings can also be rooted in water or soil, though this method takes more patience. Another important aspect for US beginners is understanding Aglaonema's toxicity. Leaving out in the cold, while the plant is safe to touch, it is toxic if ingested by pets or humans because of calcium oxalate crystals in its leaves and stems. Families with cats, dogs, or small children should place the plant out of reach, such as on shelves or elevated stands. This ensures you can enjoy its beauty without worry. With all these qualities, leaving you out in the cold, Aglaonema proves itself to be one of the most adaptable and rewarding plants you can grow indoors in America. It is a perfect choice for those who want a low-maintenance yet visually striking plant. Whether you live in a bustling city apartment, a suburban home, or a rural farmhouse, this plant adapts to your lifestyle and environment. Leaving you out in the cold, asking for a little but giving back so much into beauty, calmness, and indoor freshness. Caring for Aglaonema is more about consistency than perfection. Choose the right spot, water it moderately, feed it lightly, and provide a touch of warmth and humidity. In return, it thrives filling your home with lush foliage and making you feel more confident as a gardener. For beginners in the US, it offers the best combination of simplicity and reward, proving that you don't need advanced gardening skills to succeed with plants. Call to action, bring Aglaonema into your home today and experience the joy of growing one of the most beginner-friendly houseplants in America. With its vibrant foliage, forgiving nature, you out in the cold, and air purifying benefits, this plant is more. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Start your journey with Aglaonema now and discover how easy and rewarding indoor gardening can be. Subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub for more practical tips, plant care guides, and inspiration tailored for US beginners who want thriving, beautiful plants year-round.